everyone, welcome to Shikshagar classes. Today we are going to learn about the transitive and intransitive verbs. Do you know what are verbs? Some verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are the words which express action. Like, yes, our verb is dancing. This is expressing action. And state and possession also is being expressed by our verb. Right? For example, swimming, dancing, doing any activity, we use our verb. Can you dance verb? Yes, dance for us verb. Yes, the verb is dancing. Right? Right. Thank you verb. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the two kinds of verb, transitive and intransitive verbs. What are transitive verbs? Let's find out. Yes, once in a sentence, let's take a sentence. For example, the bookshelf holds 3 books. So, our bookshelf is holding 3 books. So, our verb is holds. It is holding. But what it is holding? It carries a object. Come object. Thus, it carries the object. Right? In our example, the object is 3 books. Right? When the verb comes with the object, when the verb is holding the object, then this kind of verb becomes our transitive verb. This kind of verb becomes our transitive verb. Let's see. So, first rule of transitive verb is that our verb should use the object. It should hold the object. This means in the sentence the verb is holding. Holds. But what? What it is holding? It is holding 3 books. That is our object. So, this becomes the transitive verb. This becomes the transitive verb. Let's see what's an intransitive verb. Come verb. Come object. Let's see. The train arrived on time. Our sentence is the train arrived on time. But let's see. Our verb is arrived. Our verb is
Arrived.
arrived. But is it making a sentence if we ignore the object? If we are ignoring the object, is the verb making a sense? Let's see. The train arrived. Yes, it is making a sense. The train has come. We are able to make our sense. Thus, this verb is not holding the object. It doesn't take any object. This kind of verb is called a intransitive verb. This kind of verb is called a intransitive verb. Let's see. The train arrived on time. Thus, this arrived is not taking any object. It is not taking any object. This is an intransitive verb. But ma'am, how to find out that if the verb is taking an object or not? Oh, very smart question. Thus the simple solution is there. We'll have to ask our verb 2 simple questions. What are those? Some verb. What are those? We'll have to ask our verb. First question is who. What we will ask? Come question. Come question. You will ask. Our question will ask who. Who arrived on time? Who arrived on time? Ask who arrived on time? Who arrived on time? So the verb is saying, our verb will be saying train. Yes? ट्रेन अराइव्ड ऑन टाइम. कौन आया टाइम पर? कौन आया? हु अराइव्ड ऑन टाइम? Who arrived on time? Ask like this. Ask like this. Who arrived on time? Yes, our train is arriving on time. Thus, we got the answer without using the object. Our second question is, what arrived on time? We'll have to ask, question will ask, what arrived on time? What arrived on time? So our verb will be saying, what arrived? Train. Again, we are not using the object. We are not using the object. Similarly, for identifying the verb, we will have to ask only two simple questions. Yes? Our first question was who? Our second question was what? And when the verb will answer those without using the object, this means our verb is intransitive verb. Our verb is intransitive verb. I hope this topic is clear. That is all for today. Thank you for joining.